Good afternoon, students. For the last video class, I explained page number 218 and 219 having a lot of formulas and condition for tangent and normal to the conics. Conics is nothing but what? Parabola, hyperbola, ellipse and circle. Today class, for the afternoon video, I am going to continue the exercise number 5.4, question number 4. For what is this? I am going to teach the sums are based on the equation of the tangent and normal to the parabola. Equation of the tangent and normal to the parabola. These sums are based on this concept only. Now, what is the question number 4 in exercise number 5.4? Find the equation of the parabola. What is the equation of the parabola? Y square equal to 16x. Equation of the parabola y square equal to 16x perpendicular to the straight line. If the straight line is perpendicular to the parabola means what is the equation of the tangent? Find the equal tangent to the parabola y square equal to 16x. This is the equation of the parabola. This parabola is perpendicular to the straight line 2x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. The perpendicular line is tangent to the parabola. What we are going to find? Find the equation of the tangent. The tangent to the parabola y square equal to 16x is what? Perpendicular to, what is the straight line? 2x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. This is nothing but what? Equation of the straight line. This is what? Equation of the parabola. This perpendicular line is tangent to the what? Parabola means what is the equation of that tangent? Now listen, given y square equal to 16x. This is nothing but what? Equation of the parabola. Comparing with what is the general form of equation of the parabola? Y square equal to 4ax. Given y square equal to 16x. Comparing with y square equal to 4ax. Now what is our 4a? Comparing y square, instead of 4a having what number? 16. 4a equal to 16. What is our a? A equal to 4. So first to find the value for a. What is the equation of the straight line? 2x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. This is divided by 2. What happened? It get x plus y. See, divide by 2. It become 2x become x, 2y become y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line. Any line perpendicular to the above equation. X minus y plus c equal to 0. This is taken as what? Equation 1. Because x plus, we know x plus y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. The above line is perpendicular to the above equation means x minus y plus c equal to 0. So what is the slope? Slope m equal to. So how to find? In the tensor itself I find the equation of the slope in this right line. So ax plus by plus c equal to 0 means what is the equation of minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So similarly, slope m equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of x? 1, that is minus 1 by 1 equal to minus 1. This is slope m. Perpendicular to the slope is what? Minus 1 by m, or m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. The product of the two slopes are perpendicular. When will you prove that? If the product of the two slopes are equal to minus 1 means the two lines are perpendicular. Product of the two slopes. Suppose you multiplied m1 into the slope m1 and slope m2 is multiplied. We get the answer is equal to minus 1 means the two slopes are perpendicular. Therefore, slope formula is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Therefore, we see the above equation is what? X plus y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. What is the coefficient of x is 1? Already having formula having minus 1. Minus 1 by 1 equal to minus 1. Perpendicular to the slope is nothing but what? Minus 1 by m. So, minus 1 by, what is already having the m value? M value is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 by minus 1 equal to 1. Otherwise, one more method, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1 means you find the second slope m2. M2 equal nothing but minus 1 by, both are same only. Now what is the condition? If the straight line is tangent to the conditions, you learn the table 218 and 219. If the straight line is a tangent to the parabola means what is the condition? C equal to a by m. Refer the table. Refer the table, page number 218 and 219. So, if the straight line, what is the given straight line? 2x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. The straight line is perpendicular to the given parabola means what is the condition? C equal to a by m. Now C equal to, already we find the value for a. What is our a? A equal to 4. What is our m? M equal to 1 because perpendicular. So find the perpendicular to the slope. So C equal to 4 by 1. This formula is very important. This is a condition for the given straight line is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, what is the equation of 1? Thereby perpendicular x minus y plus c equal to 0. Instead of c, you substitute the value. So, x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 is the equation of the required tangent. So, first you understand the question. What is the question? Find the equation tangent to the parabola y square equal to 16x. Find the equation tangent to the parabola y square equal to 16x. Y square equal to 16x is the equation of the parabola perpendicular to the given straight line. Means what is the equation? Equation of the parabola is y square equal to 16x. Comparing with what? Y square equal to 4ax means 4a equal to 16. That is a equal to 16 by 4 is nothing but what? 4. Given equation of the straight line is what? 2x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So divide by 2 get what? X plus y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. What is the perpendicular of the equation? Above equation of the form x minus y plus c equal to 0. Therefore, what is our slope? Slope m. So we find perpendicular means nothing but if a parallel, perpendicular means you find the slope. Parallel means you find m1. Perpendicular means you find the second slope m2 also. So first we find the slope m. Slope m equal to nothing but 1 minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Now minus 1 by 1 equal to minus 1. Perpendicular. The question itself will take given perpendicular to the equation. So perpendicular to the slope is what? Minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by minus 1 nothing but what? 1. So we have already c equal to a by m. C equal to a by m is nothing but what? The condition to the tangent to the parabola. Equation the condition for tangent to the parabola is c equal to a by m for the table. Now c equal to already find the value for a. What is our a? A equal to 4. What is our c? C equal to plus 1. So c equal to 4 by 1 equal to 4. Substitute the value of c in the equation 1. We get the required tangent, perpendicular tangent. So x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. See the question number 5. Find the same. Find the equation of the tangent t equal to 2. The parametric form is given t equal to 2 to the parabola y square equal to 8x. Find the equation of the tangent t equal to 2. If in terms of t means that is nothing but what? Use the parametric form. Equation of tangent t equal to 2 to the parabola y square equal to 8x using parametric form. So what is the solution? Y square equal to 8x means y square comparing. What is our 4a? Y square equal to 4ax. C implies y square equal to 4ax. Comparing with 4a equal to 8. A equal to 8 by 4 nothing but a equal to 2. Now equation of the tangent in parametric form. So refer the table also. So equal tangent parametric form is what? Yt equal to x plus at square. Equal to tangent in parametric form is yt equal to x plus at square. Already the question itself given the value of t. T equal to nothing but what? Given in 2. So substitute t. Instead of t, it's t equal to 2 given already, I write it here. So y into, instead of t, you substitute what? 2 equal to x plus a into, instead of t square, what you write? 2 square. Now 2y calculation, 2y equal to x plus 2 2s are 4, 4a. Now 2y equal to x plus 4a. So arranging the equation, instead of a, what is already given the a, we find out the value of a. What is our a? A equal to 2. Substitute the value. Substitute same time substitute the value for t and a also. So a equal to 2. So x plus 4 2s are what? 8. Now we are arranging in the standard form. X plus 2a become what? Minus 2a plus 8 equal to 0. This is nothing but what? Equation of the tangent at the parametric form when t equal to. This formula is very important. Yt equal to yt equal to x plus at square. So nothing but what? The parametric form t equal to 2 is given. The parabola also given. That parametric form, find the equation of the tangent to the parabola. We are going to find the equation of the tangent to the parabola t equal to 2. So comparing with from the parabola equation, we always find the value for a. Because y square equal to 8x means y square equal to rewrite as what? 4ax. Now 4a equal to 8 means a equal to 8 by 4 is nothing but what? 2. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is nothing but what? Yt equal to x plus at square. Substitute t equal to 2. A equal to what? A equal to also we find 2. Here t equal to 2. A equal to find a equal to 2. Substitute the value both t and a. We get the given equation of the tangent. That is x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. Next, see the 7th question. Prove that these are same model based on the equation tangent and normal. I left one or two sums. Next video class for Monday class, I will continue the remaining sums. What are the sums I left it? I continue in the Monday video class. So these are the sums I taught. These sums I have taught are based on the equation tangent and normal to the parabola. So see the question number 7. prove that the point of intersection of the tangents. Point of intersection means nothing but meet the two tangent meet the what? Meet the tangent at t1 and t2 on the parabola y square equal to 4ax. We are going to prove that this result we are going to prove. If the two tangent meet that point of intersection means the two tangent meet. Suppose this is the parabola equation. Suppose two tangent, here one tangent we draw. So here one more tangent we draw. The two tangent meet at the point is what we are going to prove. A t1 into t2, comma a t1 plus t2. We are going to prove that the two tangent meet at the point is what? A t1 into t2, comma a t1 plus t2. That is the two tangent. Here this is we taken as the tangent t1. Here they taken as tangent t2. These two tangents are meet at the point. What we are going to prove, that point of intersection is a into t1 into t2, comma a into t1 plus t2. We are going to prove the result. If you see the diagram, the diagram is, if you understand the diagram, is sum is very easy for you, but you remember the formula. What is the equation of tangent to the parabola? In the this is nothing but what form? Parametric form. All the things are for, if you learn the table properly, if you learn then and that, this exercise is very easy for you. It is equation of the tangent to the parabola. What is the equation of tangent? Y square equal to 4x. This is the parabola. The parabola, in this parabola, the equation of tangent is what? Yt equal to x plus at square. So equation of tangent to the parabola is what? Yt equal to x plus at square. So here having the two tangent. So instead of t, we taking t1 and t2. At t1 gives a y into t1 equal to x plus a t1 square. T2 gives a y into t2 x plus a t2 square. This is the important formula. Yt equal to, for fifth sum also we seen yt equal to x plus at square. This is nothing but what? Equation of tangent to the parabola. For fifth sum also use the same formula, yt equal to x plus at square. So here also we substitute the same formula. Equation of tangent to the parabola is parabola y square equal to 4ax is what? Yt equal to x plus at square. At the point t1, y t1, instead of t we substitute t1, y t1 equal to x plus a into t1 square. At t2, y t2 equal to x plus a t2 square. This is the equation 2. You subtract 1 minus 2. If you take y is common, t1 minus t2. See, listen, you subtract the two equation 1 minus 2. If we take y outside, t1 minus t2. Here what? Here plus x minus x what? Cancel this. See, cancel the x value. If you subtract means if you subtract the two equation, afterwards we get what? We take y is common, t1 minus t2 plus x minus x cancelled. We take a is taken as common, t1 square minus t2 square. So y into t1 minus t2 equal to a into, take a is common, a into t1 square minus t2 square, t1 square minus t2 square. What is the formula? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, on the right hand side, a into t1 plus t2 into t1 minus t2. So both sides having t1 minus t2 cancelled easily. So y equal to a into t1 plus t2. We get the point of intersection at the y value. That is, we find out what? A t1, this is, remember this is x, this is y taken as, this is a coordinate means one is x, another one is y. So we first find the value for y. Taking after the two equation, equal tangent, we subtract, we get the equation of y equal to a into t1 plus t2. Next, after finding the value of y, we are going to find the value of x. So substitute y equal to a into t1 plus t2 in equation 1. What is the first equation here? Y into t1 equal to x plus a t1 square. Rewrite the equation 1. So y into t1 equal to x plus a t1 square. Instead of y, you substitute a into t1 plus t2. So instead of y, you take y. What you are substituting? A into t1 plus t2 into t1 equal to x plus a t1 square. X plus a t1 square. Now multiply a into t1 into t1. Already outside also what? One more t1. So a t1 into t1 is a t1 square. A t1 into t2 equal to x plus a t1 square. We cancel a t1 square, a t1 square on the both side. We get the x value. What is the x value? X is equal to a into t1 into t2. Therefore, the point of intersection is nothing but what? X value is what? A t1 t2, comma a t1 plus a t2. Hence, we prove the result. What do you understand? Very, very important. Remember this formula. We see the diagram. If you understand the diagram, this is the parabola. We draw the two tangent T1 and T2. These two tangent meet at the point. That point of intersection, we are going to prove that what? A T1 into T2, A T1 plus T2. What is the very important formula? Equation tangent to the parabola. In the what form? Parametric form. Equation of the tangent to the parabola is what? Yt equal to x plus at square. First tangent, so at T1 equal to, instead of T you substitute T1. Instead of at T2 means instead of T you substitute what? T2. Afterwards you are subtracting T1 and T2. You subtracting T1 and T2, equation 1 and 2, you subtracting equation 1 and 2, we get the y value. So take y is common, T1 minus T2 equal to, you cancel the x value, so a into T1 square minus T2 square. So these are very easy step. A square minus b square is rewrite as what? A plus b into a minus b. After cancelling, y equal to a into T1 plus T2, which is very important. Equation tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x is what? Yt equal to x plus at square. Using this formula, equation of tangent formula, you substitute instead of t, you substitute t1, instead of t2, t is our second line, instead of t, you substitute t2. Afterwards, solving the two equation, first we get the y value. After getting the y value, this y value substitute in the equation 1. The y value substitute in the equation 1, we get the x value. Therefore, the point of intersection is what we proved. X is equal to a t1 into t2, y is equal to a into t1 plus t2. Hence, the result is proved. See the 8th question. This question also based on the tangent and normal to the parabolas. 8th question also. So, what is the 8th question? If the normal at the point t1 on the parabola y square equal to 4x meet again at the point t2. See, if the normal at the point t1 on the parabola y square equal to 4x meets again at the point t2, then prove that t2 equal to minus of t1 plus 2 by t1. t1 plus 2 by t1. See the diagram carefully, listen. This is t1 is what? This is the tangent. This is the tangent. The tangent, if you draw the tangent to the perpendicular line, is nothing but what? Normal. This is the normal is taken as t2. So we are going to prove that t2 equal to minus of t1 plus 2 plus 2 by t1. See the diagram properly. One is for the last sum, it is both the tangents are meet at the point. Here one is the tangent, another one is the normal. What we are going to prove the question? If the normal at the point, t1 on the parabola y square 4x meets again at the point t2, the normal become meet again the point at t2 means what? Again point me to, then prove that the result is proved. Diagram, see the diagram. This is the x and y coordinate. This is the equation of the tangent. If you draw a line perpendicular to the tangent, nothing but what? Normal. The t1 is again meet at t2 means what is the equation? We prove the result t2 equal to minus of t1 plus 2 by t1. So go through the diagram properly. Now listen, what is the solution? The equation of the normal at t1 and the parabola is, equation of the normal t1 and the parabola is what? Y square equal to 4ax. That is what is the condition? If the equation tangent condition is what? X plus at plus x plus at square. Here what equation normal is what? Y plus x into t1 equal to 2a t1 plus a t1. This is also condition for normal. Equation of normal to the parabola. Tangent is yt plus x at square. Normal is what? Y plus x t1 equal to 2a t1 plus a t1 cube. So the point, this is passes through. What are the points? At square. These are everything is based on everything is based on the table. So learn the table. What is the point of intersection? This point, the two tangent, the normal and the normal passes through the point is what? AT2 square into AT plus 2AT. Therefore, this is a second passes through the point was a T2. So instead of T, you substitute what? T2 AT. General form is what? AT plus comma 2AT. So it passes through the point T2 means therefore AT2 square plus comma 2AT2. This is taken as x value, this is taken as y value. Substitute the above equation, solve and find the value for what? T2. So what is the equation? This is a very important equation. Equation normal y plus x into t1 equal to 2at1 plus at1 cube. If the what is the passing through the point, the normal, if the normal is passes through t2 means what? at2 square comma 2at. So instead of x you substitute what? at2 square. Instead of y you substitute what? 2at2. So what you are writing? 2at2. So instead of y, 2a t2 plus x. What is our x? X is nothing but what? A t2 square into t1. Instead of x, you substitute what? A t2 square into t1. Instead of y, you substitute what? 2a t2 equal to 2a t1 into a plus a t1 cube. Just you substitute the value for x and y for the value what? A t2 square minus comma 2a t2. That's all only. Afterwards 2a t2 minus plus 2a_t1 become what? Minus 2a_t1 equal to a_t1 cube minus here what? Minus a_t1 into t2 square. A into t1 into t2 square. Now which one is taken common? 2a. If 2a is taken as common, t2 minus t1 equal to 2a is taken, t2 minus t1 equal to, if we take a_t1 is outside, t1 square minus t2 square, t1 square minus t2 square. Now if we take 2a is taken is out, the same stuff again rewrite here. 2a t2 minus t1 equal to, it here the same, so a_t1 equal to t1 plus t2, t1 square minus t2 square, rewrite is what? t1 plus t2 into t1 minus t2. Here what? t2 minus t1, but here having what? t1 minus t2. Taking 1 minus sign is outside. We taking the minus sign outside for the negative value, because here having t2 minus t1. But right hand side here having what? t1 minus t2. Therefore take minuses outside, it to become what? t2 minus t1 into remaining steps as it is, right? t1 plus t2 into t1. So t2 minus t1 cancelled. Balance is what? Minus 2, because the minus is the minus t1 comes to what? Thus product is come to the division. So minus t1 comes to down, minus 2 by t1 equal to t1 plus t2. We need only what? t2. Therefore minus 2 by t1 plus t1 become what? Minus t1 equal to t2. Now t2 equal to, if we taking minus outside, 2 by t1 plus t1. So t2 equal to this, hence proved. We want to say hence prove the result. T2 equal to minus 2 by t1 plus t1, hence proved, which is very important for you. If you understand the diagram is very important for you. What is the diagram for you? See the diagram. See the diagram. Afterwards the following step. This formula is very important. Using this formula, you substitute the x and y value. You see the calculation part. What we are going to find? We find the value for t2. So see the calculation part. After finding the t2, we get the result. Hence prove the result. t2 equal to minus of t1 plus 2 by t1. We prove the result. Thank you, students.